What's up guys, Von Campus here. Welcome back. Welcome to my channel and welcome sa episode 27 ng The Vessel series. So for this episode, right after ng first show ko, so this is a full day of eating. Yes, nagawa na ako ng full day of eating, but this version is a low day. So quick recap lang, digging kami for the next show. So maraming low days. Currently, ginagawa namin 4 straight low days and 3 refeed days. So, for this video, meron tayong 1,600 calories. So, ito yung way kasi para ma-dial in talaga namin yung conditioning. So, basically, very simple meals lang ginagawa ko. Hindi ako masyadong nag-e-adjust pa kasi at this point, tatanggapin mo lang talaga na magugutom ka. Nasa office ako kasi to share, yung mom ko kasi nagbakasyon, so kailangan maaga ako currently right now, and medyo bantay tayo ng tindahan for the next weeks. So ayun, first meal ko dito ko na ginagawa, tuloy pa rin ako sa cardio sa umaga. First meal ko ito, papakita ko sa inyo, top round, beef top round, cabbage, mushroom, onions. Tapos, yung soup ko, nilalagyan ko ng yakiniku sauce and ng kimchi base. So, basically, I think na-mention ko na to before, pagka mga soup kasi, mas filling siya. So, kailangan, or parang ginagawa ko talaga siya. Ini-incorporate ko talaga sa diet ko. Currently, para, ayun, kahit paano may full sensation or mabusog, diba? So, now, yan, kakainin ko to dito. It's currently 8 a.m. And yes, after nito, work. Okay, so medyo gutom pa ako. Kaya, pabawasan ko muna tong omelette na isa ko pang baon. So ito is 1 whole egg, tapos 4 egg whites na may spring onions. Buwasan ko lang siya. Ang technique guys, pagka sobrang baba na ng calories is to spread it out. Kaya kong kainin to. Sobrang liit lang. But, unti-untiin natin siya. Para umabot siya until later today. Gusto mo to, Bon? Okay guys, just arrived sa gym. So today meron tayong upper body workout. So hindi ko na-film yung pagkain ko kanina, but basically chicken breast and kamote lang siya. 200 grams of raw chicken breast, tapos 400 grams ng sweet potatoes. So yun yung pre-workout meal ko. Hindi ko na na-film kanina kasi medyo nagmamadali ako to get to the gym. And yeah, medyo nagmamadali rin ako now. Story of my life lately. Medyo nagmamadali rin ako now to work out kasi marami pa akong gagawin later sa office. So, kailangan lang if it's a schedule and work what you can.
Can't be like me. Check the mirror, see the reflection. Ain't nobody quite like me. See, I'm perfection. Unique vibe, can't duplicate. Swag is so cool, every day I celebrate. No copycats, just one original. Couldn't hide out even if I wasn't visible. Cooler than the breeze, fresher than the air. No comparison, I'm beyond comparing. And you know I ain't never sharing. Mean girls can't sit with me with what you're wearing. Pretty like a sunset, cool like the night. In my own spotlight, shining so bright. No need for validation, I am the prize. In the world of clones, I'm still gonna rise. Why everybody wanna be like me? Well, you know you can't be like me.
Hello po. Yes,
Many,
ma'am.
many, money, mo. I'm so fine, oh that I know. Why you wanna mess with me? You know you not getting with me. I don't need to speak, you ain't messing with my energy. No other like me, a true work of art. Cool, pretty masterpiece from the start. I stand tall, I stand proud. No need to follow, I'm the leader of the crowd. Every step, every move, I'm so divine. Walk into the room, they be like, dang, she fine. Confidence on lock, in my own league. How can you be hating when you can't be me? How you keep talking, you can't be what I be. You can't move how I move, you can't see what I see. I got the sauce to know there's only one me.
Okay, next meal is tuna, canned tuna na sisig. Ayan. Okay, so kung napapansin niyo wala akong supplements dito kasi I prefer na kainin na lang yung protein ko kaysa inumin siya para mas mabusog ako. Tapos yung creamy naman, for some reason, nagbo-bloat ako after ko siya gawin. Siguro, I don't know kung ano yung scientific explanation about that. Pero, yun, every time na kakain ako ng creamy na ginagawa ko, medyo bloated yung feeling. Kaya, tinanggal ko na rin siya sa current diet. So, babalik ko na lang siya once mag-off-season.
I think that's the first tomato relish we've had.
Sorry, what? You gotta be kidding me. Tomato relish just came out incredibly flavorful. It's not bland. It's got a nice pepper.
Bilang ako ng
Or tsaka makikita ng malamig. Tik-tik. Nung pagawa ko kaya petchay. Kita mo. Hindi.
Okay, uwian na. Not gonna lie guys, sobrang nakakapagod today. I guess that's part of the gig, di ba? Lalo na ngayon, wala si Ermat. Marami akong hats na sinusuot. Grateful naman ako. Like, hindi naman ako grateful na wala siya. Pero grateful ako sa opportunity to prove myself na, alam mo yun, kaya kong gawin to kahit na hindi siya physically present. I guess it's all about perspective eh. Kasi, aminado naman ako nitong past few weeks or months, parang lagi ako nagre-reklamo na I still have to do this, ganyan, kailangan ko pa to gawin, kailangan ko gawin to, ganyan, whatever. And, honestly, nag-shift yung perspective ko nung kinall out ako ng girlfriend ko and ni Grant, na parang wala akong ginawa kundi magreklamo. And instead of I still have to do this mentality, pinarealize nila sa akin na I get to do this, dapat yung sinasabi ko. Which is, simula nung tinake it to heart ko yun, parang hindi naman sa dumali yung mga bagay, but I think mas bearable na siya. Hindi na ako parang lagi na lang nangangarag or hindi na lang ako parang palaging, alam mo yun, stressed out. So, ayun, parang nag-translate din siya even sa prep ko and sa diet ko. Na kahit hindi ko na sinasabi sa sarili ko na ito na naman kakainin ko, kamote na naman, diba, chicken breast na naman. But ini-instill ko sa sarili ko na blessed ako kasi makakain ako ng mga bagay na yun, diba? Na may choice akong kainin yun instead of like not knowing where my next meal is gonna come from. So yun lang. Parang it's all about perspective and thank you. Kaya siguro importante yung ganun. Thank you dun sa mga tao na nag-call out sa akin. Importante na i-surround mo yung sarili mo dun sa mga hindi lang puro yes men. But yung mga taong i-call out ka, sabihin sa'yo yung mga mali mo. Kaya every morning I pray na i-remind ako ng mga bagay na dapat ko ipagpasalamat, na i-guide ako throughout the day, and I surrender the things na hindi ko na kayang kontrolin. Of course, gagawin ko pa rin yung part ko. Pati yung mga bagay na beyond my control, pinagpapasa Diyos ko na lang. Yun lang, parang siguro kung gusto ko lang yun i-share sa inyo kasi there's a burning desire inside me na i-share yun. Kasi that's new for me. Kaya ngayon, it's currently 7:30 in the evening. Pauwi pa lang ako and later magsha-shutdown na ako pag-uwi. Pakita ko yung last meal. And that would be, or that will conclude the last low day for this week. So yun lang, I'm gonna focus on the road. And I'll see you guys at home. Okay guys, so last meal na. Simple lang ulit. Pork tenderloin na may fries. So air fried potatoes to. Tsaka yung tuna ulit na napakaanghang. Tapos kamote. So basically yun lang. Yun lang yung buong full day of eating natin. Simple lang, wala masyadong extraordinary. Tapos meron ako dito Nando's peri-peri na super anghang na dala ni Paula. So yun, full macros talagay ko sa screen. And enjoy ko to habang mag-shutdown muna ako. Panoorin nyo na lang ako dyan. But hindi na ako magsasalita kasi enjoyin ko yung dinner ko with The Starting Five sa Netflix. So yun lang. See you guys tomorrow. Good night. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for the video. Like I mentioned sa beginning ng video na to, simple lang yung meals ko. And I would say for most people, yung 1.6 calories, mababa siya talaga. So, medyo mahirap to i-maintain on a normal basis. But, yun yung pinasok natin sa pagpe-prep. And yun yung pinasok natin sa bodybuilding. So, wala, kailangan talaga natin siyang gawin. So, yun lang. If you like this video, like the video. Medyo hindi ako nag-ask ng karon lately. But, ayun. More videos sa prep na to. 3 more weeks para sa next show and 1 month exactly para sa last show natin for this season. So let's finish hard, let's finish strong, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Again, this is One Campos reminding you to follow your passion. Kahit na 0.1% progress ang everyday, okay lang so they'll all add up someday. See you on the next one, guys. I'm out. Peace.